želio bi doći pogledat auto, ako nije problem, jeste slobodni možda ovaj vikend subota. Ok, pošaljem onda poruku pa dogovorimo se. Oh. Hello everybody, and as you can see, this is the car. I always wanted to buy a Honda Civic, and also right now I needed a daily driver, so I found this one, and I think this is gonna be a great daily project. It needs lots of love, but I'm sure it's gonna get it, so yeah. What the hell am I doing in this body right here? So this is it. Now I'm gonna give this car a little wash, cause it's a little bit dirty. So let's do that. Woke up in the morning with a friend, I don't even talk in the morning in the bed with a girl like that. What the hell is going on? I know it's not me. Walking with the fears lying in the backyard. Everybody friend when you do something. So I was just cleaning the car and I got an idea. I think that was enough. The speakers are so shit that they're actually good. So I wanted to film and say how I was done with cleaning this Honda, but now I remembered that I still haven't cleaned the trunk. Okay, now we're finally done. So I think that's it from cleaning. And now the next thing that we should do with this car is to remove this bumper and replace it with a new one. But we're not gonna be doing that right now. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take Camille out and we're gonna give him a wash. I just finished washing my car. Now I'm gonna wipe him and then maybe we could take him for a test ride. I'm intoxicated, waiting for the next call. So I have finished washing Camille and he really does look beautiful. I just love how the color looks on him. It's super shiny and it's really nice. Now I'm also gonna wash my Civic, but I do not think I'm gonna film that because it's not really interesting to watch me do the same stuff over and over again. So I just finished washing this car. Now I'm gonna wait for him to dry so I can wipe him, and then I'm gonna be removing this broken fender. But first, let's take Camille for a test drive. I have got a little situation here. So I removed all of the nuts that were removable. Those three. There's one underneath here. There's also one there. This little lip, or the side skirt, I don't know how it's called. Basically there are two nuts behind it and it's not getting off. I have no clue how to remove it. I saw on a YouTube video that you gotta remove 3 screws from underneath and then you should just slide it there. But this thing is not sliding anywhere. I guess I'm gonna leave it like this until I can get somebody's help. And right now I'm gonna be changing the filters on the car. Holy shit. Look at this. I wonder why the AC wasn't working on this car. And I just cleaned it as well. So this air filter came in like this. It has a little dent right here, so I'm actually not gonna be putting him inside. I'm gonna pack him and try to return it and get a new one. So now I'm gonna continue with removing the fenders. We're gonna be removing the front and the rear bumpers and basically just prepare the car for sanding so we can remove all of the rust and that it can get painted. It's starting to rain outside, so we're gonna move on the inside.
Don't tell me you
So I just finished removing the front bumper. Now we're gonna be removing all of this little plastic. So I'm done with this front bumper. Now we're also gonna be removing these front lights, and then we're gonna be moving to the rear bumper. Came off pretty easily. So now we're gonna be removing the rest of the plastics, and then we're gonna be ready to start sanding the whole car.
Say that, girl, don't tell me you can say that shit. All she want is payback for the way I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying. Don't tell me.
Okay, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy, feel free to leave a like, and I'm gonna see you next time. So until then, goodbye.
Baby, won't you take me back?